What's the meaning of boner? Boner. Boner.
Boner. Boner. Boner is a slang term that refers to an erection of the penis. It occurs when there is an increase in blood flow to the penis, causing it to become firm and erect. Boners can happen due to sexual arousal or stimulation, but they can also occur spontaneously without any obvious cause. While boners are a natural bodily response, they can sometimes be uncomfortable or embarrassing, particularly if they happen at an inappropriate time or place. They are a normal part of male anatomy and physiology, but it's important to be respectful and mindful of others when experiencing one.